Good morning, students. This is your algebra and geometry teacher, Ms. Hart, back with another math Bellringer for this Wednesday morning. This Wednesday morning, we will be exploring solving proportions. And as you see here, I have a proportion already set up for us. We have 4 divided by m minus 8, and we're going to equivalent that to 8 divided by 2. So what we want to do to solve this, first we want to cross multiply. There is a term I like to coin it, crisscross applesauce. I like to call it crisscross applesauce because I've been learning it like that for so many years. So I just been carrying it with me. So crisscross applesauce means that I'm going to take this 2, cross it over to this 4, and I'm going to take this 8 here, and I'm going to cross it over to the m minus 8. And now I want to cross multiply. So what I want to do is I want to say 4 times 2. I'll start there. 4 times 2 is 8. I'll put my equal sign. And then now I want to say 8 times m, and then it'll be 8 times negative 8. So first I'm going to say 8 times m. That just gives you 8m. And now I'm going to say 8 times negative 8, and that will give you negative 64. So now what we have here is an equation, and what we have to do is balance out the equation. All of my students know that I call this the peanut butter and jelly method. Peanut butter and jelly states that you always want to do the opposite of what they're doing. If they have peanut butter, you want jelly. If they have jelly, you want peanut butter. Okay, so here what I want to do is I want to bring something over with this 8 because this 8 is alone, and I want to bring over its like term. I can't say 8m is its like term because this 8 has an m attached to it, which is the variable. But I can say 64 in this case could be the like term because this has no variable and this one also has no variable. And remember, peanut butter and jelly states that you want to do the opposite. So they are subtracting 64. You want to add 64. And then now I'm going to be left with 8 plus 64. That is 72. Kind of ran out of space, but I'll write it here. So I wrote the 72. And then now I want to bring over the 8m. That is what I did not use yet. The very last step I want to do here is to divide. You want to isolate the variable, and currently with the variable is a positive 8. So you want to divide by positive 8. You're going to divide the 72 by positive 8. And then once you do that, 72 divided by 8 is 9, and m is equal to 9. And that will be your final answer. Thank you so much for paying attention. This has been Ms. Hart, back with another Math Bell Ringer. Have a good day, everybody.